Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informative video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Metro by T-Mobile. So everybody knows it's like I said, it's tax time. So everybody, all the prepaid carriers at least, are really kind of amping up their engines and trying to get you into their doors to get a really good deal and start service with them. Spend your tax money. So I know some people have already done their tax returns and all that stuff. Some people haven't even filed taxes yet. Some people really will decide to do it a lot later or towards the end of tax season or tax preparation time. But whatever. So let's get into it, guys. I already made a video talking about Boost Mobile's iPhone 7 deal where you can get it for $30. Well, today we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile. They did slash their prices again. They were offering the iPhone 7 for only $100. Now they actually slashed it more. You can actually get it for half off at $49.99 or $50. So let's go into full details about this promo and what it has to offer and all that good stuff. So as you can see, if we go to Metro by T-Mobile's website, it's right here, right on the, if you just scroll down just a little bit, you'll see this promotion. So it says, the promo says, get one, share one on us. Wow. $49.99. So it says, share the experience of iPhone 7 on us. Switch and get an iPhone 7 for $49.99. Then add a second line and get another iPhone 7 on us. Wow, so this deal is actually a lot better. You can actually, technically, okay, then yeah, you can get this deal for about $25, I guess, per phone. Since they're giving you another iPhone for free, an iPhone 7 at that. And so this is, wow, this is actually a little bit better deal, I would say. So it says plus sales tax, activation fee, and ID validation required. And it says prices after all instant rebates, restrictions apply, 32 gigabyte variant only. So pretty cool. So I don't know why they didn't just call it the BOGO deal like most other carriers do it. But like it says if you switch and you get an iPhone 7 for $50, of course you will be charged the plan. So you will have to get, I guess a family plan, two lines. Then once you add the second line, you'll get that iPhone 7 for free, which is a pretty good deal. So you spend $50 to get $50 free or a phone, iPhone 7 for free. So let's go ahead and say explore iPhone 7, and we'll look at what kind of plans Metro by T-Mobile has. Now, of course, the name says it all. So this is on T-Mobile's network, so make sure it is in your area. I'm actually testing out T-Mobile's coverage here in my house, and let's just say it's very, very spotty. I've always said that Sprint does work a lot better in my area. It just depends where you live. I do get 4G, well, at least one bar of 4G, LTE over here, but then it'll go down to no service. So it does depend. At least I do get service sometimes here in the house with Metro. That's what I'm testing out right now. But, like I said, if this is good in your area in bigger cities or you live in the city, then Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile will be a good choice for you, especially for the price. So it says, share the experience on iPhone 7 on us. Same thing, what we read, and it says, get one, share one on us. Pretty good deal. Like I said, it's a BOGO deal. They just worded differently. But this phone is still a very good phone. I like the iPhone 7. I actually had the iPhone 7 Plus and just sold it recently. But for the iPhone 7, you do have a 4.7-inch Retina display, 12 megapixel and a 7 megapixel HD camera, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, of course. So remember, this is the only variant that they will give you is a 32 gig for this promo. And of course, the black. So as you can see, there it is. Very good, 12 megapixel and then 7 megapixel front facing camera. It does have the A10 Fusion chip with M10 motion processor, so it's not bad. It's a pretty good chip. It still handles a lot. Splash and water resistant. Stereo speaker, so you have that dual speakers, which is very nice. Trust me, you want that on a phone. And then of course, they really are striving for that ID validation required for price shown. So you can't just, get a burner phone anymore and just put it as Sam Doe. They want you to bring your ID, make sure you are someone that, is real, I guess, and it's your real ID and you're going to stick with the company. So they're saying this phone's $400 retail, but like I said, you can get it for $50 when you switch. And then, you can, what's another cool thing about this is you have to find it in a store. This might be bad or a good thing. It is a good thing for the dealers, so you want to support your local stores. They back maybe a year ago, Metro removed phones from buying them online. Now you actually have to go into the store and get this deal. So remember, stock will be limited. So So you probably want to hurry up before everybody starts getting their tax return, and then, you know, they're out of stock, and then, you know, you won't be able to get this deal. So then there's more deals on this and all that stuff. Water system, the camera, pretty good. Like I said, a lot of carriers are doing the iPhone 7, Boost Mobile, Cricket, and now Metro by T-Mobile. They're doing a lot of deals with iPhone 7, which, like I said, is still a very good phone. If we go to shop, as you can see, here's the plans. Let's just look at the plans real quick. So about $40 will get you 10 gigabytes of high-speed data on T-Mobile's network. Music Unlimited includes streaming 40 plus music apps without using any of your data. Wow. So this is very good. They do have pretty good plans. So if you like to listen to music, it won't, eat up your data if you're listening to those stations. And then from there, 2 lines, there you go, $70. 3 lines, $100. 4 lines is $130, and 5 lines is $160. Very good deal. And then of course they have unlimited data for $50. So remember, you have to get like a plan. With the 50 gigs, you do get hotspot. So 5 gigs of hotspot. Google One, 100 gigabytes. So that's just, extra storage. And then from there, it's only $80 for 2 lines, $110 for 3 lines, $140 for 4 lines, and then $170 for 5 lines. And then of course 60, which is the biggest plan that they currently have. Unlimited data, same thing. Now remember, these unlimited data, we'll read some of the restrictions on that, but this plan does give you 15 gigs of mobile hotspot. But the main thing is you do get Amazon Prime for free. That's about $13 right there for free. So it's definitely worth getting the $60 plan if you do have Amazon. I believe you do have to get a new subscription, like a new account with Amazon. So if you already have an Amazon account, it's not really worth it. Unless you want to cancel your account and just open a new one so you can get this promo, saves you some money in the long run. And then from here, of course, they do give you special pricing. 2 lines for $90, 3 lines for $120. Right now, currently 4 lines for $120, which is killer, and 5 lines for $150. So that's pretty cheap. It says also available our $30 plan with 2 gigabytes of high-speed data per line. And then it says if congested, people that use more than 35 gigs of data, you may reduce or see your speeds reduced, guys. Depending on how congested the area is, you will get deprioritized there. So video does stream at 480p, unlimited on handset and network only. And then here's some plan promotions that they have. 2 lines for $65, 1 on your free phone and tablet with unlimited LTE data, and then 1 line for $40, which is pretty cool. Another cool thing that I do like that Metro by T-Mobile has is, of course, they have the tablets, but now they have this family Timex watch thing for kids. That's only $10. Pet tracker, smart hotspot, and of course the ride. And that's my son. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, check this video out. I gotta take care of this little boy now before he turns off the computer. So enjoy it, and hopefully you like this deal. Thank you.